Mama ye mamumu mami ada ye ho abafe ye ba ne ababedi Ghana enkomo na enne ensem weda pono so aye bedi ho nkomo ne abobo ho no eye electoral registration ya ekoso na say limited registration na ekoso no said the daily graphic ebo ya manye no so wobo na do so NDC say NPP so say eye NDC yenye den obeti aha ya ma obi antwo ni di aha ye si obi kwan aha ye de nkrofo okọ macho menfo akọ eni subro se kaachie mabro eni niema etete sa yenye den ye children krampo and afi chairman ntumi Ashanti Region NPP chairman na ya chiri no enu ho enkomo afi NPP chairman na ya chi wasantima ntemu na no enu NPP for the press statement and as a media release about bonte won masemo mo kan so the subo ebo NDC na wo mo ye den ewu Simbox Ford no mecham bosa no pebedi won komo na so hwa abre no kopa enti me sa we promise mo se Friday die ye bedi nkomo no e wo si esua de afi mo na ye hu se die ene ma ne basa na so da se bo asa nipa na ya che wo no o se kan se santa afi bia ye chi ye fi 2014 wo ma chi abepe me ne 2 years ni no wo ma chi nipa be ye 30 enti ye di won komo se die ene ma wo no eye sa no wo mu nyamwa bi fi ba bia na se wo mu kwa ne timi ye ema ne ye kamasa ko se tete a omo nko mo hye won de omo ntumi ye ba ko fo nko akoto sim card bedwe adan registration of sim cards ne ye jaya ana ni nyine ko so na still enkofo tumi ko to PDS afford no afei ye ko Asitife North constituency a DC yere na ni abretu ni kunu ebedi DC o se na ban tina so enti wa obetwintwa wo manam odi ntwemu no omo emma ogabakra sana daily guide eka enti yese wode mranche abeti ben matwefo no dukamu a omu sibam MP ne nkofo bi no kre ben ene wo mu anopai we ne nsem a yedi ho enkomo kai se wunimu a it cannot be enti NSC TV is all about you fa ususuye no wa dwenche no asem sabraimum kai se eye bedwem etima okasa ahonte afei Ghana ebeye ejina ye nyina yeso asodie da yeso enti akomani ehuru a ehuru no ehuru ma hwan e pa acho ka sem adi asomdwe beba ka sem a edi nkabo mu beba problem ne ba ye nfa solution emra na emwa enti ukoye social media networks ahodo na obetumi do comment ato say ye Twitter handle ne at UTV Ghana #Adekye Nsroma Facebook UTV Ghana Instagram pictures koshebi and so UTV Ghana YouTube UTV Ghana online text message across networks 1441 or the buy be kinkan ama and then penny for my buy any one ebedi nkomo Alhaji Halidu Haruna wono woye NDC parliamentary candidate Ablekuma Central and chairman Joe Donko or your first vice chairman Central Region NPP and anope wo maba ye ne wo mo eba be bonkomo ewura no me mamu akwaba
yeah
na mo hote se
me adomade achi e de ye hu ye
ya me ase da mo ase so se mo baaye Alhaji ne di ntwo kakra ye atwuri NDC NPP wo ye NDC timamu se NDC for ade and now be no akra mi mpo mi wo mi dey news so peace TB CEO Asitife North Minister for Rural Development ne brother one Naba Abdullah yesi wakobu obi MP ohonom ono sisi maamo no me de na me wo faase ne ebu no na me koje no ebi ne se Asitife ho na ase aba DC yire no wasesa nkrofo machumen no mo kwa probo obecha Ashanti Region area bi yesi ye mamo register wa ha eti na ekoso ade edi amoncho ntiga na nje
emedasi na mamitia nipa omoshe anapawi na mechia me constituency for Ablekuma Central na me di asida subema nyakopon na me da constituency executives no so omaya there at least the first 5 days no oma bojuma na yegusu ya started the next 5 days the chiro all the election about to yeah come a process
okay
na say obedi nkuni a free processor obe form and san obetimi adi nkuni na vigilance here efa abatwa yeah koto November 2016. Now ushe in terms of constituencies are you 275 constituencies. Now political parties be very p no we say you better say oh ahano ye weak na ye were very strong ewa so ye pese ye yi nipa free her emba ha.
Okay.
Now the same political parties are engage in this thing. The same political parties beba abonti ebeti na fidie na ka say ya Bluetooth register ya esi electoral laws no say one tina ewo electoral area be for at least 2 years unni kwan say we trodi a situation where we kwa kofa obi every different constituencies now one kasa ni now sometimes you know my sister nepa opese odi nipa ni me odi dey say enya sisi say obe sisi nipa ana obe ni dia en fata ansana obetimi adi nipa ni. And the principle must be that say ampa say obe serve nipa. It is important you do what is right. Now me honu NDC constituency.
Okay.
Now before Adekye Central before you be starting me nyanka say ebimu di electorate be free Adekye North any odudu any Adekye West now member be register.
Na krana ya amunya ne eya na nokre bi wom ana just anxiety
there be nokre wom.
Okay.
Because bibi ankra no free no na esa no me man kasa o because I'm a master of the game me there me see me ye basa but me make sure say me ma wo kwan say obesisi system no
so they are all basa ne ba say because o se wonye basa ba o mani pa ne kwan enti eba ne say easy process na almost one fairly challenge from debi challenge from the ebeche enti mo ye basa and so on go for when your boss say hey no why you say
the process of even challenging a problematic maybe was serious problem with it.
What is the problem?
The problem is say we see challenge ye challenge you see wouldn't say nipa no onti ho.
Okay.
Now is it actually true say ye challenge the people because the burden of proof no e wo nipa over challenge no.
Exactly.
So what it means is that the burden of proof yet court in us our district way no committee no who are challenge no who na who in say ubenya evidence e kire say ampa nipa no nti ho. Now the difficulty is that say ebia who ankasa who nim say nipa no nti oni ho onti ho na ye the house number be MI. Now say ye fa house number MI yam fa NDC house number de be man nipa no say MPP ni na e obeye sa niam ye the MPP nipa house number di be ma so ye ko akobisa MPP household no nipa no say we asimashi oti ho ana. Now if the house landlord no or MPP ni now when him say MPP for na obeji atum say nipa no ti ho. So yes sir, what it means is that he has also aided and abetted the crime committed against the electoral process.
So how is it EC's fault? So
that is why it is important say umani panus kurabe tro didi.
Now it is important say umani ensure
no but it is that is why I'm saying say enya say yendi nukure.
Okay.
Nukure.
Okay.
Who per se odi nipa nima di nukure. Because you see the difficulty is that say what status here na who yes here ye di dibre no ma wa what it means is a sign say undi nukure ma constituency for no. So say who ba say obi ba now be use MPP ni fie now who can say nipa no ti ho a when the MPP person the landlord bisa no e ka say o na woti
equally or NDC ni so the NDC
so that is what anything I make say the challenge thing I have a problem with it. So me my catch me come for when you come and we know say you don't stay there, you won't even go through the process.
And no na mainstream say many ashefo na ye
in the first place,
you won't even go through the process. Na chata oh money pa ne kwan nipa no so feel say e was so ocho ni dinti
onko bibi a o tini no oncho di se okọ ho na okọtro ni di a obi am prevent you
wo ne hwan se wo be ka che ne se ko baby a wo te
onu so wo ye hwan na beba me constituency what ho. He has no right to take a decision on behalf of the people who reside there. I cited an example of, for instance, Abosokan area. Abosokan, who say market, a business center.
Yeah.
Most of the people are omu ye juma ohono, omu ntiho.
Okay.
Omu fuya, omu ko. And just imagine, nipa omu fie ohono. The oil ebia, draining all the chemicals are APA any man. Those residing there are the people who are affected by that particular effect of those chemicals. So who are our business? What we are now who must nipa or the right to decide who should lead? Perhaps nipa no beba be share or mu ya kan say kwan e beti ma afaso na e be manage the effect of chemicals affect omunia. Then you bring people from outside now beba be register. Oh yes sir, you are not treating those people fairly. And you are sitting on their you can say their right to make a decision on their own.
Na the oton ade also no so virtually oto because oba no pa okwa anajo enti onu so ni timi so oche na gino
onopa okọ anaju no yesi o share mrano si temporary resident.
Sure.
So temporary resident you do say o to me prove say o store no wudia but ni bia ni ho.
Okay.
And we be register. But the point I'm making is say nipa e bia e be for mu every constituency fufro na sa nipa no anti ho. And you come based on this challenge. The challenge, as far as I'm concerned,
Enyejuma. Into the
because who conspire with landlords within the area. No, I'm telling you, most of the challenge will be useless.
Chairman Jodongo.
Yeah, my sister.
Hey.
Adekye. Adekye me minchia etiefo ehwe yen. Mo hwen o Ghana na mo amano ni NPP fo yina. Na babia na nado wo bia na ne pay. Nyame mo no ho ban. Ni ba wo bia. Menim say come out to me January 2017. Na nado the Bible be so in as a president. Na Alhaji Bawumia so the Korean as swear in as a vice president.
Korea.
Korean. Na yewia asumedwe na nhira afi Yankopon no ebego man yi do.
Efutu Reverend Father Komi Nteka nti wonte.
Che ne ohin no. Ayebone.
Titi ade hin obi di Bible so am obi di Korean asu.
Na so obi ani won ma ba omi otun for Bible nkojina ho. Tese Korean.
Koswe.
Nse ni dia ya bebe mu. Sa yankase ba omi ade Korean ba so in nti kremofi na ma to man ade e ba ne ye ka a vision. Oh, my sister, you know, you better say limited registration. Problem is Ghana as at 59. You are too about. The education is not there. So education na kosupa mi many owo na omo nyina atiase a. Anka, you see, obi already 18 years. Onko register, no nya card, eye di tumi. Obetumi I'll get to have said, oh, media, I'm paying what you see, Miss School fees between tia, Papa to meet your light bill, into me got to about Manamo to us. And now say, situation, I mean, what him, Papa Crown to me, didn't want me, dear mammy, into me got to a betiano. But say too many news, same one, would to me, yes, I decision. And no, be on so when you but on registered that. There, you better register before no be at the hospital. There were too quiet. Oni o manyimu wo bana se wo prove mo bia hu say yes won tell me no aba register so we are foreigner say Nigeria new Mali new Nigeria new ne ya wo krom hanom a that means automatically again because ya wo ha wo betu e register but say nyema we yinim no say won ka ho a enko ho ne ya sa hye mre say wo a ya mo accreditation men ko be a register no we are party dienyo we are party mamio we are party papo because Ghana buy na yenade. Inti se won
mama monko ho no. Enya mu na mu ne monko for community
because obi o community about accreditation. So won ni bia we are MP, you have no power to go there. It is a MP being kita accreditation. Na so ko ye mafma for register on ye bona sumu a. Mo bi meka nche say oye aban nipa.
Don't worry, we'll come there.
So na me say no. Inta de
na u bona sum sadie.
Na bia
enya mu na mo ye mpanifo am ka che instant justice den enye. And enye justice be na u meet out. Oh bona sadie.
Yeah, this one ambo because they say it's Ghana.
No, who can want them is not in relation to Chama who to me the entire name fam. Who says MPP for map near bona sum.
Because you're not even supposed to be there.
Inti esesa obono.
Oh, me brother can say.
Chema Jodonko, the person nipa ne nya so be ho nti esesa obono.
Na say wodi kokobetire kwa ye de sotro ja okwan. Wodi kokobetire, wodi kwa ye a ye de sotro eja okwan.
Politicians na say political parties, especially NDC MPP, na mo plan sa ade we da na.
See, ina maybe ho ma, o man na ye wo mu no ho. De bia ye sua de kwa anim. Ye sua kwa ye chi.
Ghana ye sua kwa anim.
But ye Ghana de ye sua kwa ye chi. Emre bia ni kroma ye adwuma o.
Enchi wuntia.
Me na make kire. Emre bia ni kroma ye adwuma. Chi said aban in power no. Say ye MPP, say ye ND, say ye CPP. Aban in power because you operate executive presidency. Chi say aban in power because so hwehwe. So ka so hwehwe wa, wo parliament tomra. Wo ye mistake we mati afi school obecho. Ni ye guide o ya me so japa ba guide o se we kumi nipa. Iti because emre
ye enti na mra hye be fie fo mo kuna mo boro mo ho pekon akoma hye be fie akɔhye mra
emre ye adwuma
mo sai
emre ye adwuma sa to da sisa wo ka wo be hu se emre ye adwuma.
I see.
Because judge betuma tell so odi asem ye be obi attorney general be cho judgment abere so nkan
me ye solution dia mo ye yi ye be there wa ano adwo
enti ma me person me tell say pepepe anye adwuma say one ya nyamre bia ebe hye executive presidency no so beti so ye MPP president so ye CB but the 2 minutes so beti na emba say me na me executive president we na take all oba me na me yi electoral commission me na me yi IGP me na me yi director of BNI me na me yi national security coordinator asumdwe moment mu because you na one sana sa otumi change overnight.
Chema Donko edincho ya ekosu yi ye mpene ma won register won ti area yi mu ha eni sa ade
because emre nya adwuma na make no say IGP ote ho no ye toaso say wo call that country sir ye wo AIG Assistant Inspector General of Police asan ye DIG Deputy Inspector General of Police asan ye IG it is IG ni ho no ma side DIG for no whether they attend they are 20 emu ni ye hwe obi mobedi na anya say ye dey ye te ho no ya say me Jordan come be president na metumi ko appoint ASP Assistant Superintendent of Police or me IG because appoint it say me appoint na say ohun say me Jordan ko ma buy na woso and say me party na woso it say ma fa wo dia ndesa samasa cause one sa me yiwedi ene ne bra ye bre
me pese me kan ye wo kan sie ni na me ni ahwefo na enhwe to ya asum se edincho na edru so ye beto aba ene esi wo afi ni wanyi ya na bibi nti afi na niama ye na pese wo twodi ko ya kuna manie metia medi mfie sei wanyi me card ni na bere so akoto aba enu no efa ni ye kan
yes na me pese me chiro se emra no but say me na me wo ma ban wo power na say me na me wo sa constituency to kuro we mu na me tumetu akosisa obi because ma ban wo power into which challenge me ko abi no be kon e ko police station enye hwe and na say me tuma force me bi ma ko because election winning police station into say na me ya me ho no be ye bi a me win no amfo bi aho
na so wi ana masa de so bo abo isi se isi mo anya na adwuma
because isi na kasa o to na kasa no nimra so eno no ras na di mra so
ade
o ko change logo or the tripod foot enim oko chegi logo
ipack na emre na di omo ba ya na say ya agento
na ya agento or the to bi enim so te one man or sorry na Ghana for enne ye registration na ye ni about 6,000 centers sikeni ho nti yi si ni she ye 3,000 centers sko sikeni ho
limited registration tina o si ye 3,000
centers na
so
we ni first one
ampa
but o si sikeni ho
sa na o ka
yes afu ko tena fa ko a me ransa me ko no me ko Aguna East. There is a constituency Sante bia me ko ya ewe Serbia kra bia seto. Third day na me ko no mo register ni petu. Ye could do at 3 o'clock. Ne omokas owi kra no hwe ke ye tu ne ye de ko another place a ke bia ho funds be na a waste of time. Omo border me omo to spa. Because Sikeni Electoral Commission ti yanya say bia otrana say car me fa no nko. But until 5 days and sun way too. Na ye go sa dey we ho but yen sika overnight as a logo. You be print manu si ni say at the end of the day no say kuku ni jaye a ye na ya hwom. So ho emra no obi baby won mesi a eye adwuma baby won no say si a enye adwuma. It is say me with the obi control di na say me comfort challenge form na me fele. Na say you do on mo na say if you court na baba tena se no me fa no say bia ya ban ote so no stronghold it is say ya wanfra asem na nko no mo koto abe free because me na ya adwuma say bia na your position so stronghold no ka say because me so me feel say aban we ote so ya challenge kura asem no anya no hwe obama nko fa atunti me so me mpena na di pinte ba ni nyina ko si say emra wo man mu no anya adwuma.
Alaji Alidu, se munim se challenge forms no muni gidie wo mana sheda mo mo se political parties a ada na muni isi nwe nwoma onsesa no na mahwe na manetu na mo we ni nyina aka se we die ye better na fe last minute afi na mo de mra ne kwhye mo sem se hey challenge forms da obatie mo amo ye be ye ne ye be
menim adua eta challenge form na echi se ebia omum pese obe obstruct the process no na se nipa no ba wo fa win but the method of say he who alleges must prove no a bit difficult because the point is that
difficult things Ganamra can
say obi ba na oye minus na wo ka say minus
oye
minor
okay
oye minor no wo ka chere say on register what challenge no who as a challenger no ehia say obenye timi approve ni bev ye kan say certificate best certificate when final we kwa akonya na we kwa akotu penifo ni nim say akwala no ampa wanya 18 years
okay.
So the method of even proving it is very difficult, so eventually the person will end up now mama bisa adikura man can say me challenge we no ye obi kobo krono na why am say jainu na ombo krono no owie a call police na call report o call report to police na police su eye the docket no na we go court akọ fa dance bra say and power hun say or bokron. Why don't you prevention they say is better than cure? So I think that challenge method, you know, is in say political parties on the
now the situation is na say afa na bia nyame adom nimdie
no say oh say your practice yes starty yes aniama no sisi ana ye hu bibia loopholes no wo no na loopholes no ye say ye be cure bibi but unfortunately it is even worse. Okay. So media say me nim say who wunti bibia who ba be register no mimpini say who be register because you have no right.
Also account na say ade
no you have no right to register.
Who dey my main Facebook comments kakra ya be march for Emmanuel Lawe says good morning madam. Please ask the NDC man that he should explain the meaning of permanent residence. Emmanuel from Mamprobi. Solomon Parkwesi Folsen says Sule from Sechikrum, I know Ghanaians will let peace prevail in this coming election, but the NPP are throwing dust into Ghanaians' eyes, and it must stop. I greet my mom and dad, Mr. and Mrs. Agbeko. Ernest Taifa, great NPP have men and women with sharp teeth to bite any group of persons who want to intimidate us. Ghana belongs to all and not for a political party in government. God bless Ghana and NPP. Daniel Osei says, good morning, Mamia. Please tell the NDC man that with this year limited registration it is, Daniel. Limited registration is a clear indication the EC and NDC wants to steal this year's election, but they will fail. Obein Sika, I love what the NPP man is saying. NS, okay, I think I've read yours already. Crespo Bimpe from Kumasi. The incompetent president and his policemen took the law into their own hands, and they do whatever they want in Ghana. Still, hashtag Nanabeba, hashtag we are for change. Nothing can change Ghanaians' minds. We are tired of fake promises. Still, the battle is the Lord. Francis Asantia asked Alaji for me that my ID card got lost last 4 years, and when I went there, they tried to attack me, and one guy told me to leave. Why? And I am 19 and above. Why, Yakunama?
ID card lost, you won't go and register. You go for replacement. So he's even going to worsen his case.
No, but the ID card lost 4 years ago, and he's 19. It's your choice. You see,
see the calculation.
The ID card lost.
So when the
registered
was 15.
Exactly. Oh. So he has committed even a crime against the state.
So Frederick, I don't know what to say. Go and own up to the easy. Go to them, tell them that you had your ID card 4 years ago.
But you are 4 years.
And it is lost. And let them see what they can do to help you. People are turning them into that though.
No, they are being exposed by themselves. They are confessing.
Who forced them there? Who told them to
Let
go?
me send a text and tell us who sent him there.
Tell us who sent you there. Frederick Asante. Tell us who asked you to register that church.
Frederick Asante. Do you know Frederick Asante?
Hey, what are you doing there? Okay, of course. Chairman Joe Donko. Tell you what I say now, Okasana, and we say, case you interest on pa. Chairman won't to me. I'm sure say Sabre it's a few minutes to now, 20 minutes to now, idiot. Ebi or move a cocoa tanisa. And no chairman won't me wearing your bill. And no pay any lawyer kasa, ye need some pie kasa. MPP Ashanti region the statement about more the suburb NDC. At me feel say a MPP for no money massive. A chairman, an MP, and then constituency secretary. And a police have them. And answer our report and a police for a your master yes or mobile nipa any ejapati of buy. Enti so one amode boy NDC no. Nina so on say.
You me that say. Me asem say here, aya na me person me kasa to say Ghana ni.
Okay.
And no be asu tie to say Ghana ni who MPP who NDC.
Okay.
Because so when yanko about say share na wa system so e dey gina wo dey so. Ade biara wo be ye no ntina say ye call Supreme Court na de na ye di asem a ye di obi na asem a ye di ye mfato ho de ma judgment.
Okay.
Well, krom on my way ye won say wo mra. Na obi mbisa me say assault. Say me to ya makọ personal police station. So bi a me na me kwan so ka bi across me see from driver na wo maso nti ye nkwa chilo. Driver no so akoye case wo Achimota police station.
Okay.
So on so on the kwan so on no bi nya traffic or on so abonasu. Me ye ba. Na say me a me ko ye personal police station no. Ya ma te say me wanted na so me kwa Achimota police station na. So soldier for the guy David. Assault case. Soldier for ever guide me. You see,
supporters ni kogo
and as because kuku ni jaya keka ni be jaya.
Enti enye say o mine security no mo be take precautionary measures.
O dey assault case enye cool no ye.
I say nipa ne da ona mo supporters na e
go. O da ho ye dey. O da ho ye dey. Eti say yes e challenge for me ye ken. Onipa na o challenge na so be pu. Nti so onipa na o si wa ba ya say me ma bonasu. Me so ma bonasu. Ko ye na ko me so ko report on the police station. Maba nipa na o be report ko ma ho. O man prove say yes am pampa. Onipa na me so obo ma so no kura ampo no ani o ma ho. After na mo investigation. Say mo ba kwa papa da say. We say onipa na ye ma ni be. Ade no say be legal offense.
Chema wuntumi enye nipa obi anim. Enti say police for no wuntumi on be hu.
Before na ye be registration. We say by social media any people similar they say yes abai na wono say anasa NDC for some person achi wuntumi asa registration na aso. Obi kura say so waka asmeti e.
Moje that social media circulation etum. Moje di.
Na you see there is no smoke without fire. It's at the end of the day, no. Who say Adena Bayeka? It's that our buying is supposed to prove us wrong.
By
But what he's doing proves that yes, it is about something.
And then the police for you warm.
Yes, Shuma. Police
the link.
Police know that.
Oh.
I bet if you who MP I said the color, I'll see DC in the year. Any one former local government minister sorry. Ninya omuko
Asutifino.
Asutifino omuko na wasa color. What is your truby?
Say no so boy ne say one wa.
And I'm good to be the Wajatu Zobono.
Oh,
you see, ye na yen sani yepe. Honomono, onipa no ko police station, me a man form so ma ko hospital. Me a share color. At one ko. Eni yen chiro bia o. Yen chiro bia obo nipa didi. On de moja ni mu. It is a party MP. A bear report say yes or what the second. Also wa bonasum.
Okay.
But fingerprint bi aso ni ho. It is say no kre, say no kre. We invite nipa no a watch the statement. One man bill omumi ni na be hia. Afa na afa. Ya interrogate omo say we na say a scene of incident e question say that's for. But so nipa no ba the 10 o'clock and a report. Even on lawyers did not. That's also one money bail. And that's why I say police now with no committee who catch say the order from above. Send me a mobile. Another person can because
Sana police.
Oh yes, lawyer Lankasa can read you by Twitter and say or say order from above. It is a
order from above. Say police in where regional court say be a national friend no. And now be
so ni na juma kwa so ni na juma nka. You see, so ni na juma nka wonka. Me dey be make say I started working with the security for a very long time. Time I started say me ko police headquarters na full na ya IGP. Roaring style. So, at time no Professor Tamlis na yejuma. Ya was inspector, chief inspector sir, in the IGP press room. Because we feel say o ma buy na power. Police headquarters ya make it through you. Time I buy change here no. One baby obi in office bi. Police at the time o one go man kwaj maybe. Because o ma no ho kwan. Me police politicians you soon no. Inti obi anta no so beto no adwane. Inti so we security agent na so obetra o say politicians yen use a we wieye wan ye security ni a wo beto ice cream. Wan ton ice cream a. Te say what person we wieye kwa nyefe.
Me say alajali do operation 1 million votes mo pe wa Ashanti region tina mo tata regional chairman na.
Me ne aba ma me mbisa chama. Minim no. Achapa and I know him as a very respected person and decent. Are you proud of the conduct of Wontumi?
The conduct like what?
Are you proud of the conduct?
He's doing his job as a chairman. He didn't slap somebody.
Well, yeah.
Oh.
He's doing his job as a chairman.
Or stati or kasa no wasi or pese or kasa as a Ghanaian.
Okay.
Na upese or kasa as a Ghanaian. Na uyi politics. Na udi we to afa. Then speak as a Ghanaian. First of all, enye NDC ni na Chama Wontumi okobu no. Secretary ni so onye NDC ni. Nipa Wontumi allegedly wabunu no. Nipa no ko report ye. Ye the police form ama no pa no. Nipa no akọ hospital. Doctors are examine. Wontumi as an accused person no, you are inviting to say bra. They are inviting one call. Second day one call. One call no.
Hold on. One thing.
No.
They also been a friend in Numre and ran in the casa. Obedu no been a
it's a holiday, sir.
And ran no panel on one casa and now Odin who quest. Oh, yes, you hear me. Maba.
Are you holiday so?
And that's a police issue. Me tia as a candidate of NDC. Police phone. Omu nimbibia ombetima anyame omu freni
nso wan freno omu pe na ade asemato no nso man freno
so uba chere uba police for no omu si omu hwehwe no omu an sending kra ema no you see intina make say yendi nukure o ye amanyo sam yendi nukure and it is about managing the affairs of the people wondi nukure ye di two mission sa unye adipa ebe di info so be ma nipa wo pese odi omunim no so mu ma yendi nukure wo kroma
And because of failing to be truthful to ourselves, and we have also the media who is supposed to be in the middle to be able to find the other side of what the politicians are saying. The media for us so more than politicians. So it makes it. Oh, but somehow they depending on the orientation. It's a fact. Some of the media houses. It's a fact. So the Americans say to disrespect a state institution with a contempt, to the extent that police for ever declare say you are then wanted. That is when you sense danger, then you are going. No. Look, we a pioneer. You serve as an example to others. Nipa omuba echirinu. They have to look at you and be proud of you. So that umbeka say, oh, ye suya bibi pa efio. I think that to me is becoming unbecoming. But me by reason.
I don't know.
It is a man meaning no.
To slap
man meaning no.
To slap an MP.
MP is
what has the MP done?
MP is what?
No, but
MP
Chairman Patrick. Or say Omono, that is a statement.
So,
my
sister,
Alaji.
Oh, Patchere say, Kwanis also amankwa or chontro.
Mitio Mumi and Nina, they are calling Sister Wabono. Want to me to see Omono. And Tien to me in Casa Wabono. Sabrina Sunako to Chester Wabono.
Collins also amankwa, a honorable member of parliament. In the constituency. And no amitié secretary say chairman no buy no now or be say Felix Ibrahim way now manshia Dr. Napo's constituency organizer na catch and say onu na oti ho no
ntonim no
say obisa onim no but on who no so Napo organizer na edi secretary no chair na according to secretary want to me or buy no na or be on bisanushi no or stati or bubu now all man ni bodyguard so nipa or di ni chino so stati ebun now me see the report
two reports
yeah.
They are working
want to
me to say mama
now want to me ba maminka chiro adukura want me minjinindi.
Okay, and who they are winning? Okay.
Want to me, Kasem Etia John Muhammad ni brother Kitwa. The voices, your both voices no TV, radios, so ye na etie. Ye call court no was say one yet or no one kasa. So how do I trust such a character? Somebody running away from his own voice. Me catch yourself, me ye bibia, na ye me and my ye. Me suru nipa na me chontro na nyankopon me kwa akwhia nyankopon me ye me ka na adikura e wo ho na wudi be ye me because it is better for me to be
MPP e can say ensensia bi wo mu no
Argentina insensia assault any criminal case.
No.
Assault is criminal.
No.
Assault no. Assault
no. A misdemeanor.
Assault is a criminal. Misdemeanor is in the misdemeanor. You are describing then the type of criminal cases. A criminal to assault somebody is crime. Assault is a crime. But the description, the magnitude, who do you use a misdemeanor? You use treason. Treason. You see. So we are chairman of a political party. You are not above the law.
That's MP.
Me see, yes. But MP no ya bu MP. MP no akọ report. Ya catch you say bra. Ya di ya allegation against you. A responsible person will go to the police.
That's why he went.
One year for good 3 days. Who is he? To disrespect the police.
No.
Any attempt to show say police no need power will render this country a lawless country. And that is what that guy wanted to do.
So you show him where power
lies. The police will show him.
Yeah.
It's a state institution. With the authority of the state, the code of
power lies.
The code of arms has mandated them to act.
Court of arms.
And anybody who disrespected the police must exercise the authority.
Chairman Jordan,
court of arms, electoral commission for year.
So the authority of state is in their hands. me say police frame me na man kwa. I have disrespected the police.
Oh, yeah.
And any attempt for the police to stay away without acting will reduce the
okonebra ote.
Okod me catch you adikura
well anyway what at
want to me or tonto. And I just gave an example.
Are you being fair to
I am being very fair. Me see my tiny voice or criticize the or can say disika bibi petrol did ye kokoto he denied.
Nti onya obey.
If it's a man enough, why couldn't he admit?
Nti onya obey nti chese we so why?
One say what control once. The tendency of you to continue telling lies is there.
Okay. Thank you. Chairman Mpachomi Bama min call text message kakran for the abani so oh yeah Mother's Day. We'll talk about that one later. NPP and NDC. What do you want the brofuna flower? So why cry? Why cry? Why cry now? Can it be? Why cry? Maybe some are made of one or Motiano. Oh my nipana boys are very citizens are tired. Why cry? Let me see, there are more Facebook comments. Then you bet to us all. Okay, yen to us was measure Facebook comments na maka. Any alaji wa message now so. Esutifi so wakacha ma wuntumi de na wi na we de NDC. Esutifi South. The say Abdullah na abade ne Collins Dauda honorable Collins Dauda brother ne de no any MP ne de different. The BDC ne yen de ne different. Honorable Collins Dauda brother Abdullah na aba. Any MP mewe fi papa ne din daha something honorable daha de no enu si wo Asutifi North eye ntotro so but we esi wo Asutifi South DC honorable ade meye abenabu esi onu to akosesa mema beti benfo si wo mu koburu MP enu so
ya bono
oma
you see me catch you
oma ma na hwehwia kaka
me you see
yeah
any attempt to cause violence me intolerate you be condemn.
Okay.
Enya adipa.
Okay.
Look, this country has been blessed.
Say when people move.
Any side.
Okay.
Enya adipa. But to get people to protect say obia en committee bonia, that is also not a crime. Say ebia me unim say obi be committee boni o ye bibia obetiamra na me unya nipa omube protect sa nipa ade no enu so enye boni. Now sa niama no nipa yesi ye ko bunu no wakwa report ana
report Haman police hospital for me now.
Wa say me constituency.
Haman hospital.
One of me agents.
Okay.
Ye bunu. MPP Ambekro Central ewo Ajembu.
Okay.
Because I'm very civilized person. Me catch nipa no. I could have ordered me boys say bunu taga no in retaliation because want to me. But when in there me catch agent say on report or Doko police station. Oko report or Doko police station na me so e follow up. Ti say I hwehwe nipa wa yes aniema no. Wamba polling stations. So my imagine say ye programs no na memma police phone. Bibia o check me na ye be mamra no be di. Now police commander
correction here say see one to trust Asutifi North but this you know was Asutifi South na na yere so won tia se e no so organize the match
well me any attempt say ye be edi a how be ba no me dey mean for us and that must be clear stated. And no mean for us.
But MPP for no concerns that he said the AC within NDC and NDC need to attack MPP. But I know he said the
now one with the IC was our
one
with the IC was one who police for NDC agents constituency executives are who phone
camouflage.
Inti baby amu betumi no.
Baby
political party no tumi
o
police.
They have let them.
Yes, sir.
You
see, say banu fairness, me bra Kofi Boachi.
Yeah.
When him say NDC for Wakumasi etro krata, e ka say ye yinu Wakumasi. When him say what kind of story? Omudi subo bebre emanu. A very fair-minded policeman certainly will suffer this kind of attack on both sides. Say anka or ye juma ma NDC, the NDC people will not have written those things. Say yenu, and chama ka say police no nyefe anyway. Not Kofi Boachi. Nobody can use that gentleman.
Thank you.
Or a distinguished policeman or ni juma.
I mean, can't you?
Yes, Shema.
For COPs, these COPs, I know most of them when they were even superintendent.
Okay.
Obi no a good officer. Everybody is a good officer. Yankasa politicians, they have more instruction.
But people
I am telling you, they are good officers.
Mati policeman Baku, Opoku something. He used to be the commander of Greater Accra. What radio to say at the time MPP before about him. Now the late Ali Muhammad Manu instruction. What buoy? What's on G?
Okay.
So it tells you that people who can say the late are winning. The late are winning. One chief regional minister.
Oh, master, may catch will say
he arrested the regional minister in this country.
There are some police.
So there are distinguished men and women within the
there are some police who take instruction from
maybe more honor more yes sir.
I can give you reference about
me say more honor na more yes sir.
Me see judge odi court odi myself Cocoa First Court 8 Jakete before the deal on some as some can show me more odi myself can say order from above so from man to me be ready because me fear December MPP. Hey, I'm telling you, Chama, it is true. And they wrote a judgment for him to read from Attorney General. Boom. That is how my team. That's how we are judge. Now we are police.
Now you do what to?
Oh, Massa. I am telling you, sir. So
what who say
he
police for us. No wa ko kan you. Ye fra wa betumi you.
Asa me nsoro.
Ada na wa ko kan ho asem sabre no. Wa ka to Chief Justice any.
Because Chief Justice the day that was July 2010 because Chief Justice office because company so officer to go India into a meeting because to the secretary
na the
secretary went there to meet
Alaji site no or my police for to work Andrew Winia when you
police likita master police headquarters I don't have bag with friends so no for lunch
and the police will need it see we were what did
so yeah very much
it's what I'm trying to tell you
Nana to say obi akita menu oni bi that means you know you back
oh it be catch us say you were principal of menu because of executive presidency or your good police officer.
Can't me modi. Papa you okay? Your police for do omun distraction for politicians. What body? Osu body an we no kwa my babes. Any me am pon. Na wo ka
Oni me. Oh, half bra. Obi adie yo menu. Obi a tro.
Say me kai ba be chi bia. Ala ko de ko kwata me police. It's all I'm trying to say this. It is all the script apparatus we have them in this nation. So you call peacekeeping now. Ubetumi who say yes, they are one of the best in this country. But Yakasa politicians in yourself.
But there are very distinguished ones.
And I'm trying to tell you, say, until say Yakasa Beja or Mufre. In the two, the only thing that can save this nation is that executive presidency. No, it's here in Abasi changing Yamrano. Because at the end of the day, the president is the one who is going to choose all the institutions
And now won't believe
okay,
in the judgment of the president.
Unfortunately, yentimi akata ambassy box for no so me mane ha nyame aduma efie da yebekọ ne akwa akopemu adesua yemfa just this 2 or 3 quick comments na yemfa de chenshuma adwumadi na wukrada de no say Benjamin Sem Kwachi says the police cannot be trusted anymore. Are you really sure? Because they are involving themselves with the NDC and it shouldn't be so. The police has to be in the middle and they should stop being biased because Ghana is for all of us. Kobe Jonah says the NPP ideology is very good. He really thinks about our motherland, Ghana. NDC, please, Ghana need peace. Tom. Nana Kwesi says, oh, looks like Alaji is confused. He has little knowledge about Chairman Wuntumi's case. Misinformation. Oh, Ghana politics. Okay, few one we are na ibetimi akenkai. Na yede enne ukwada de chenshoma adwumadi a yede bremu no yede ni nyina asiha empanimfo ane wo moje breba ye ma ye bo wo man eho enkomo Alhaji Halidu Haruna wo ye NDC parliamentary candidate Ablekuma Central ewon kran ha na opani Joe Donko wo ye first vice chairman Central Region NPP amanyuko ni mu na ye ne wonum abonkomo no pa cho me kan che o say Lucky Twins, yes, say more musicians, more bon pa, more manager, one Mascal Entertainment, than you do cancer, was so mamma happy birthday, nail my wood. In any more mood, my wooden na, yes, Shiran, Hosani, a dear, and couldn't dear, any or my wood dog, any some pa, Eddie mum. Mebo amanye se enema fade fefe fe ukwada ni Friday bia ana ukwada ni fieda na me Friday me hu se de meka Friday efiada hu se ma hye me African wear na fi Justy Fashion Justy for ewo jolo wo mo ebe Fidelity Bank na woni wo mo ye opposite mpa ha chenso ho Spintex Road o opam niama kama pa fe won 020 482 6679 obesiesio obi ne nasem sede obapa maya ano pay ye nwa be ma kwabena ntwibo asiakon ene otu ye fo say so hu si obi adi kanya e ma woni mmere fa adwumaden fansiyo retaso na ye wodie na eye nyame pa nso wishira ebeba kwabena ntwibo asiakon ni nkran hyesama no pe wode maaye no eno no me de yakonama nyame ya domo a ochina ade chenshoma ye betiamba. Till then, keep watching UTV because you know it's all about you. Have a blissful